So we're going to talk about mid-segments today. And what we're going to do is we're going to mark the middle of each side. And the mid-segment is the line that connects the midpoint of each side. Does everybody understand that?
Yep.
So what we're learning is that mid-segment is like the half glass of water. And the bottom side, right below it, the parallel side below it, is the full glass of water. So if they give you the full glass of water is 20, how much is the half glass of water? 10. Hard?
All we have to do is divide
So if they give you the small one, the midsection, you double it to get the bottom one. And if they give you the bottom one, you half it to get the small one. I don't know what else to say.
It's hard.
Okay. So who's the big guy? The x plus 2 or the 2x plus 22? Oh, it's 20. Sorry, x plus 20. The x plus 20 is the big guy. So 2 of the small guys equals 1 of the big guys. Do you understand what I did? Because if the small guy is half, 2 of those equals 1 of the other. So we've got 4x plus 44 equals x plus 20. So 3x equals negative 24 when you subtract the 44. Watch your signs. And x equals negative 8. So now you get your calculators out and everybody put 2 times negative 8 plus 22. And then do negative 8 plus 20. And tell me what you get. What is 2 times negative 8 plus 22? 6. And what is negative 8 plus 20? 12. Is 12 twice as much as 6? And this guy here is x plus 2. And they want you to find TV, which is the top one. That's a V and that's a T. So they want you to find that guy. So we still set it up the same. 2 of the little guys equals 1 of the big guy. So 4x minus 28 equals x plus 2. So 3x equals 30 when I add 28 to both sides and subtract x from both sides. So x equals 10. So the big guy, VT, or TV, equals 12, right? And now, just to make sure, what is 20 minus 14? That is 6, so it makes sense, okay? 12 is the answer because that's what they're asking for. But then make sure that if that's 12, that this is 6, and it is. Because 20 minus 14 is 6. Just so you're checking.